Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have BP in here doing a cinnamon challenge for us. This mother loving P. Alright. Since he made me do it, I'm making him do it. Alright, hold on. I don't know what side I want to get on, bitch. Hold on. Alright, ready? Do what you do. Take your time. No pressure.
Damn,
it's scary at that one point. I'm telling you, it's that one point that make your ass just. Try to swallow. What the fuck? What the fuck, nigga? I knew it was too good to be true. You got water. I knew it was too good to be true. I'm about to say, ain't no way. Nigga, you got water right here in this head.
Hell no. Hell fuck.
Yo, I can't fucking breathe. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, I'm weak right now. Ooh, look at his face.
Boy, look at that, boy. That's some shit you don't fuck with, boy. Boy, you kill a bitch fucking with that.
And I thought you had it at first, and that shit. Look at the tear in his eye. Yeah, bitch, you go on Facebook.